Yes, I say free family plus. Me there. Saa kwa no wadi mi. Me no. Who ne say what he's of no use. I think the obeya feeling relevant on earth no. Aside that, Muhammad Amonka no kre. Apart from so about betana keka kwasi asem UTV and I say okotena no comfort zone. Your friend no sa station bi no no ko ato no keka kwasi asem na mo de Amonka no kre. Monka no kre e dey pa na pa me plus nyansa sembe no waka ne wiasema. Now my true challenge I'm gonna say. To say ya man adwuma ne say parliament no was a whatna ekoye adwuma. Parliament no e demanding. And no office say be what YouTube UTV no keka ma to ho asem no. That is the work that they do over there. No criticizing cause ya criticism. No ye niema. Now the ball is in his court. Afepa na adwuma na du sha was say parliament ne here no. The constituents no they have voted for him. Now he represents his constituents. The budget, me say me who she said fine budget a better obi ekabi. He should go there, share his views about the budget, whether he likes it or not. Like he approves it or disapproves it. He should let us know. He should tell his constituents what
He cannot express himself. He cannot express himself.
what Ato Forson came to read to us, because he spoke in English. Not everyone understands what Ato Forson came to tell. Ato Forson couldn't read everything. Now it's in front of them. They have to digest, explain everything. That is why Kojo Pankroma, lady Yamayi and Wafefwe will be explaining what the Ato Forson buy. Your meeting here, the one can hear, there was one can. There were can ya any moon, so come here plus. You two, we need your side of the budget. Come and tell us what exactly Atufosi came to tell. Not me, or constituents. Exactly what Atufosi came to tell is what we want to hear. Nana Addo. Nana Addo dear, hey, who can't quasi some said dear, we are dear, a house said dear, show dear, what by your president, and he will never be our president. He has a president, fine. Nothing can erase it. Regardless of the nonsense, it was a semi fan. Why your president? What do you so 8 years? What do you so president? 8 years. Okay, COVID by your casa moncha, the bush, and they want to me and P. What I say? Yeah, the taxes are which are no man, but you had a casa copy to a beco room. You ever had a son copy to a beco room. To come here, plus say, we a bit how, we are dear you, hey, and yan another shit. The other me and Quasa Sama Babaca. Obeka, so I shall have Becca Biachelo. One woman, so I will see. So what I say, what's the no man so or be a war? What's the quasi and penny? Or Bob Brack, and Yanasa what one man, one more fush and I was a son I can. Saka was a bob, but I was a mob said a mystical judgment amabri. It's I'm sorry why I can't was a summer Mabaca be a show. To me, and me no be in the one scale. I'll want a better worry, I'll about what's in our papa. What's in our fee? One woman so come here plus. Would you miss me no now watching me no dear say? I'll pour Mr. Parliament me at Obama. Go there and debate your colleagues. Your colleagues are there. Obi a chane bobbre. Obi a che how influence ya. Obi aye. We have influenced everyone is in the floor of parliament. Go and show your friend is saying. O bobbre or honor. Don't go and sit in your comfort zones. So what I say? Nenka kan kwase asem. We need you at the parliament house. I want you to about say when we hear juma. It's one of us what's more. Don't run away from your work. So I was a parliament and they said they were PhD. You read a lot. All the time you have to read. Now me cry now, me catch Kojo Ponkroma say, I am not jealous of him at all because I dare not one more just our timing I would devote it. Till I thought way back can't we know so the coffee you could read it. Echo heard your kind, they won't see dots. There was a capital letter one tro. There was a small letter one. You have to go and read and get all of them. And so now what's not quite now. A draw away a juma many abre. I'll pour Kwame plus. About to Quanaquaya. They get Jimmy now. What's one? Oh, Jimmy, I can't was a son and another one. Now, what they say? Me no. You very know social media. I mean, we are made by Wimbo. About Baby, what Thomas Eguson. What do you about so many in the best? I may do it at Tamosaka. I'll pour away in a wire say, Quella Tiffan. Fan Hobra. I mean to sacrifice a bear and Tonchonade. Yanka general issue about the country. The Ahini be okay, any way. Say me medical catch Ghana for say. Yet honum na politics inti. Ade ekoso wo man mu ni. E na ye selfish. Ghana for ye selfish. Ye dwene ye nko aye na ho. Because anke ye dwene wo china ho a. Ka ade adwoma ha ma ne atofo sen ye mfa. Ko sa sabre ye sorry tia. E ma ye ni bre no so ne ye gya ansem hu na wo die no. Me nua no bo fa 8 billion no. Wo fa 8 billion no. Wuti fie wa wie school wo ni adwuma ye. Mo de mo ti ade na ekoso no. Say wuti fie wo ni adwuma ye. Wo wie teacher training wo ni adwuma ye. Wo wie nursing. Obi apese okọ fire service. Enye say ye hia fire personnel so. The government needs them. But the problem now is how to pay them is the reason why abandoning to me high. What on nursing school every year? What if you? And you say in here, what the hospital? I have from Uber hospital. Doctors no, doctors by me and Sunday Bejina home. What cockrana and your BB Cassibin out there, but doctors were nurse, Uber shares in the bed first, or Baba Bacassa. Then nurse, Abba. Then not doctors, no swabber. So what I say? Any doctors by me and son. What is Ghana? What about cockrana? Unya. And teachers are banning the doctors there, then they hear more. Na yesika wodi betua won kanti na ye say yen hia mo no eno ti na yen ntimi nya appointment say bra appointment 6 o'clock na ko wodi be 30 minutes for hospital na ka wo ano no every say doctors ni sha okoma say wo bra 5 ahwe no ntimi anya ti ji say mo begu oni pa be 300 mo ba begu ho aha di pa doctor bi no be hwe ni pa 50 cry a day say mo ti de ye pa che na say enti doctor say de ye hia na o man ni mo na de enti aban ti mi high bebre ne nurses no de enti aban ti mi high bebre ne say sika ni ho de betua adwumafo ne ka enti mon show na enti nka sika wo ho Yakopon adom ye sika wo ho no ma enka aban no se nka fanfa adwumafo no bebrebe na nipa kran ha ya na se won fanfa teacher for ye ma no ko nkrose bebrebe teacher for ni o school bi wo ho no ma from class 1 to class 6 only one teacher is there e bi kran ka aban ye won school dan ye ma wo mu e na e bi o ma accommodation kam fi se me ye post me ko wo kran ka me ha me. We are lacking all these things. Ukrom coin, a coin in ye, a buy ni sika de bay, and tin 1 year, no. Menya shall say, I buy me a Jimmy. Now, wait there, I buy where they excuse me to say, I will insult them because all these problems are there. But for you to say, economy na ye na buy na ye yenti. See, ye was sika da ho, na sika no cry your china sika. And ye na sika o. Enka o chanya kopon ye adoma asam 2 years so bia wa abusuam. Ye pesika bi to for china no sa na oman ni so wo bi anto oman ne de to ho oman ne de na de to ho no ya ban se da bi ono de o mi anfasika ne to na emom wo de beba ba be hye forex nim se what ya say se de wo Ghana ni timamuni wani beje ne ho aka se wo ba ye wa ye economy ni wa ye dollar ni ye and don't forget say abai ba ko na twem no finance minister na ma ye tia say he could have also wonu de ono aka se ne yam ka se sika number 1 cedi kra metimi amenaba but the resource no and more mine he said it enye se wankon o kan ye enti de omo ye enye something new bia se wo mo ye extra oh me no me enu nyina te ho o man ye nyina na ye de anti aban timi nya bibi mfansie kwan ato force ne Mahama free say omo de fa so dollar no eba from they should come and tell us they haven't been able to tell us anything. It's the same issue Mahama na some of kind they say Bank of Ghana manipulate. Fitch abeka. IMF abeka. And no money now so catch say. Ade omo ye na nye. Na emom se wo wani beje. Anasa wo beka se dollar aba from an economy aye yenti. You don't want to one person mobile voice out. Eye money je. Sabe eba ye se gas swate fuel swate bi a 2 cedis amount. Eti wo wani je no ho. But for no so cress swate no me can say bia ma nyina mate. Don't come here and argue and the atemo ye kind of correct. Fuel before you take Roma before say Joe Biden be kon. January no kra na fuel na ha no. Na uko pump na ye 3 something. And the fuel ya ba my baby cry 212. And to pa me fan compare say e Joe Mahama na fuel na ba for ma. Enya ni ntia. Era na adom ye na adom ado na fuel price me world market swate. Because Nana Addo ko near top $100 per barrel. And then you turn about 60 something to what would you tifri mu? Let show me baby cry Joe Mahama na fuel na ba from. Would the catch me come back densia for show me baby cry Joe Mahama. The impact woman madu fuel na bafo. What's a dollar na swati? Na dollar no cry swati no fuel no kasa one far. One cedi ni ade ade to gallon biaso. Me say before so Joe Biden beko obi a otikroma bia me samon kan kwata se me boa. Na do gas na bro $3. Me say na ko baby kra $2.12 cents. And not just a wo Ghana swati no. Enye dwama hama. Na me de me ntwa ma me say yesika na wo se no. Enti sika na sem na me kan se wo chi na Nyankopon ya adoma. So you na me ya COVID ba ya. Obia restricted movement no. Enti se ntos na me dua mikroma me pese me ntos ne be move ya kwa bia because sa ade kire se me man so ma ade na be bi ko man foforo so a. Me man fo no nya bi ni. Enti no bibi obia na obi e ka me. Enti kakra na ni pansesa so na ne po yedin na no cause inflation man no call 50 something no. Enye se bia aban na anyo COVID ba ya that was what happened. Enti opening the ochina so beba. Si mo ka se ba na ne sika kakra da hono ma. Kasa bre na Nana Addo ma electricity say yenda mu free. No ma ye nsuo na adwuma ye force atifie na no otua won ka. Teacher for ne nurses ne adade. Adwuma ye fo bia atifie na ye tua won ka. Could you believe say ka ye reserve no? Na da ho Nana Addo ye sa de no say in the name of you to be happy you because economy ayeye. Nana Addo de sika na ye sa de na. Ti ka sa bre ye betimi enjoy electricity free no. And I say you bet me enjoy nsuo no. Ebra na adwuma for kranso nkwa adwuma. Na port mu atoto na obi nkwa na obi aba. Se matiase. Enti asem na ye kan as de ye kan no onye se obi tan adwuma ha ma na obi tan NDC o. Ye ka asema nkasa ahunye hia brem. Enti ene mo sha. They are desperate so mu pesika. Ama forex nti no. Se fichire na ye tu ye friend is saying no. Ye gala. Menyina mahu da bia meka se school la yes ne foforo STEM school echi ye to gala just so aban ni benya sika enti yasra menuanom tidi ye penny in the name of NDC ya NDC na akoto se obi kan bedi atam in the name of that enti mama ye nhwe ade na ye ekono mo ye selfish o because you're not even thinking about oba wo no ne no wo dey say wo 3 year Ebia u fear free chance you no say ye. Enti na wo benya bia no. What about your child no tomorrow? Vegetation we na ebo ye ho ba me nya from papa e ho me no. Ye kro no nya say desert no. Wo na wo wanya bi ho me nti you don't care about your children. Ene munya awo no. Na nya ma odwese mo dom ma because nya mo ye ti o man ni ma ye porch na ye no. Ye no ye ma na ye wo ma bare. Ye tan wo mo pese min kumnya de na ye be die na ye dwene ho. Enti asem ne da ho kro na o china be ha ye. We don't care because ya buying it so ya buying ye $1 back from just that. One was him said dollar crab back from no. Uko jump got to adwene got to go jump got to adwene no. Adwene na bia wo turn 10 cedis and they won't to adwene 10 cedis that as $1 back from. And ka dollar back from me ka was a match. San kana me to adwene 10 cedis and $1 back for cause them turn was a be 8 cedis. Where they rather na akwasoro aduane aye di no man ni ma da bia wo se ye di eno momo kwosoro sebe bibi so ate aniema kakra aniema na ye import no eno bom na bia so ate ne mom aduane aka se ye city man ni mo ye di no de ne bo ye den ena bebrebe bo so ye den because of ensase na yes no de ye gala no na first me fi amfiche na me dua body ne ye betwa ade ye galam sa body ne bi obesan free ho aba free ho ma some who politics na yete Ghana ho ya de a enya e di yen enti I was say ne nyina ye kabomu na ye fight he promised obetwa galamsem oba ya west and na mo MP hefa na MP kobo enkrofo mo ye galamsem mo kobo so mo de mo ase we de asem na esi mo hu MP ne ho ahwan wo mo bu police security just because of that they were stopping people from doing galamsey. Is that what we asked for? Is it the reason you voted for them? So please, don't we end this in a witch? I'm Hanama. My man who first.
Right.
And stop this. And another issue to John Mahama. They say you're so far, you seeker. No, they are Bremo, coin swings. Mammy, Mr. Womino, me and no, you take a cry, and I see it to Kumasi. You have to take a dear. Young bad party officer, young party, you man. Are we going to enjoy that money to know? Sika was what they be a judgment. Now, Nana Addo 1D 1F. What Becca send you be a winner with Jerry and damn now. And yet, Juma Obaye was suspended Say adwuma no nyina. Enti say sika no kwa de ko hyem. Na adwuma no ye nkoso na wo ma wo de sika ko mo di free wa bro mo nya adwuma bia. Wo mo no ko ye adwuma. And a result by no more to swabba. And yet better so the first can say, may they go consuency a quack what a charmer. Mamma, your force said they by your woman better me home. And yes, sad, my answer said they are mine a year set a children. Okay, apart from dollar above for me, what else? I dear baby, and I won't know mine. Yet, you know, not to force and say, want to me highnesses because backlogs no doors, nipper no doors. At the same time, no, the power no say. Want me high nurses who near work nursing school away. What quantity was so bad boy, no bad boy society will be tea and yana that over one. I bind so want me high no. Name on this year, no, just 5,000 yet. I bind so bad money 35,000. Mini and this in here, what here? Who bet me I call this in once and 35,000 no more bini. No, so we school no more. I bind them a woo jumaya they are. At least, Busumi so quite Juma 100 cities square or Bamawa. A one cassa de one cosser. Name what is a cannon? What will be a catch almost 700%. Now, what about the catchers? How would they want me high? No, sir, because of so young this, you are happy. We don't want to talk.
I'll come back to you again, Aunt Sabina. Thank you so much. Passionate about what she speaks about and convinced. I mean, we have the women and we have the men. Afasco, good evening.
Oh, it's great.
Okay,
I'm from Tamale.
Tamale. Oh, okay. How is Tamale?
Yeah, it's good. Tamale is good.
Okay, let's hear.
That's great. I'll first of all like to comment on the budget presented last week, or that was last week rather. I always say that you can't keep on doing the same thing and expect different results. Ghanaians shouldn't expect much from His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. He was voted out of power in 2016 because of incompetence, because he was not able to manage the economy very well, because he was not able to recruit the youth in the country, because he was not able to manage our security services, our security and other sectors very well. Today, he is back to power again. He was voted based on sympathy, honestly speaking. He wasn't voted based on competence. He was voted in because Ghanaians felt that they were hurt by MPP, that's our party and our government then. So they voted for His Excellency John Dramani Mahama because the NDC was consistent in bringing him back on the ballot paper. So they voted for him because of that. So I don't expect any of their budget within the 4 years to come with any better policy. My reason is this. In the 2025 year budget, when they presented it, what impact has it made on the agric sector? What impact has it made on the security sector, on the education sector, on all the sectors that we have? What impact did it make? This is the simple question we need to ask ourselves. They promised Ghanaians of 24-hour economy. They allocated a huge sum of money for that. Till now, who can still tell us a single block placed somewhere to start building the 24-hour market that they are talking about? Not to talk of implementing it. And Ghanaians have already forgotten so easily that this 24-hour economy has not much to do with market. It could have been started from our public sector offices, because the promise was that every job will have 3 people running a shift. Now we have the public sector. How many people have they recruited in the name of implementing the 24-hour economy as part of their 2025 budget? No one asks about that, but they allocated money for that. Now the year has elapsed and they have presented 2026 budget again. And the same budget that they presented in 2025, That is the same thing that they have presented for 2026. And honestly, there's no hope in it. There's no hope in the sense that the agri sector, our farmers are crying. When they bring their farm produce, the market is not available for them. Our businesswomen, our businessmen are crying simply because the government is insensitive when it comes to managing the currency and that of inflation. For what we know, you can manage the currency in two ways. I stand to be corrected. But I think we can manage the currency in two ways. One, we can make sure that we produce more to be able to export so that there won't be pressure on our currency. There won't be pressure on Ghanaian cedi in order to make sure that we stabilize the cedi. Or spend unnecessarily to make sure that we suppress the dollar. That is what the current government is doing, and it is affecting the market women and market men. And for that matter, people businesses are not booming anymore. And when we come to what's the name, managing the inflation, as we all know, the inflation, when the money in the system is more than the goods we have in the market, you see that the prices of the goods will come down, or rather go high, sorry. But when we have money lesser than the goods we have in the market, definitely you see that the prices will come down. And the laziest way to manage the economy is what they are practicing today, whereby they are making sure that they are withholding the money from people's pockets, so that the products in the market will be more than the currency, the money in people's pockets. And the business people will force to reduce their goods to be sold. In this case, they will say that they are managing the inflation, and to me, that is the laziest way of managing the inflation. That is why you see that at the end of 2025 budget implementation, there is no any single impact in any of the
All right.
sectors. We are only hearing noise.
Right.
Anytime we are hearing noise. Yesterday, I heard or that was the day before yesterday, I heard the education minister say that the current president, John Mahama for that matter, is managing the economy efficiently than His Excellency Nana Addo. And in fact, this is the highest level of deception to Ghanaians. Because if the economy is managed very well, how many people are employed under this your economy?
Okay.
What impact does it have on the agri? What impact does it have on the businesses and in the pockets of the Ghanaians? If the economy is managed very well, you promise Ghanaians to recruit 60,000 teachers, trained teachers. That was 2025 and in between 2025 and 2026. So if today the economy is good, you are telling us that the economy is managed efficiently and effectively, definitely we are expecting that the promise that you made to Ghanaians with regards to your own sector, the education sector, to recruit more people should have been implemented. The
All right.
moment it is not implemented, it means that the economy is not good. That's
Thank you, my brother.
That's on the budget. Oh, wouldn't you say you extend my time?
Yeah, you spent almost 10 minutes on the economy. So let me give you 2 minutes to build it up.
I wanted to come to Kwesu Kwatin's comment.
Yeah. So spend 2 minutes on that, and I'll come back to you.
Yes, you see, people shouldn't be surprised about Kwesu Kwatin's conduct. Let's remind ourselves, he was appointed as the communication director for
PRO.
Education Ministry, the PRO for Education Ministry by Edichum, isn't it? He's still in the race. He abandoned him, go and be supporting Kennedy Ohene Ajapon. Do you know why? There is a saying that birds with the same feather, they flock together. You understand? Because he knows that if he is to be supporting Edichum, the jabs that he'll be throwing to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the jabs that he'll be throwing to the party leadership, he will not be comfortable. So the comfortable place that he can do it is to go and join Kennedy Ohene Ajapong. And now he's telling us that he's exposing the team of Kennedy Ohene Ajapong to us, that they are betraying the party. Because he's telling us that when he was in DMB's team, he was revealing certain secrets to the other camp. So today, it means that is what Kennedy Ohene Ajapong has done to NDC. And NDC are yearning for him to come and lead our party so that they will have someone that they can easily floor to lead the party. Never will we allow that.
Sure.